What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. I just got this one in. Super excited because as you can see already, it's ginormous. This is the biggest car that I've ever gotten, and I want to test it out right now. Yeah, so you can see right here is 1/6 scale. It's a big one. This is the biggest that I have ever gotten, and I'm hoping that it can run over my tall grass. That's what I'm thinking. Anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this, see what's going on here. Let's do it. By the way, yes, this was sent to me by DEERC. I've actually partnered with them a few times on cars. They love making RC cars, obviously with their name, DEERC. So yeah, their car either has been super fast or very unique. They keep coming up with brand new things, ideas on RC cars. So if you have been looking at RC cars, you know that the bigger they are, the more expensive it gets. Look how big this is. Oh my gosh. Okay, look at the tires alone, okay? It's as big as my head. There's some grills. Okay, so this one is interesting. Obviously, you can see here it comes in different pieces. So this is gonna be the first time that I'm gonna have to look at the instruction booklet and see if I can put this thing together. Air-filled tire. Huh. Well, not air-filled, but you hear that? There's tons of parts in here. Oh, the remote is tiny compared to what the car really is. By the way, I love these bubble wrap. ASMR unboxing, you know. All right, the size of this remote is astonishing compared to what the car represents, by the way. Okay, let's go ahead and put this thing together. So this is it right here, guys. Took me about probably 10 minutes to put everything together. That's because this is my first time. I think it's gonna be pretty easy for you if you get this car. So one thing I do know is that the shock is actually fake shock, so there's no shock on here. The tire itself is very fluffy, so that's gonna what's absorb some of these shock right here. But obviously with something like this, it's gonna run over everything, so can't wait to test this thing out. Oh look, the controller has little lights on the joysticks here. You can turn on and off the sound on the controller. And when you turn left or right, the signal sound